Skin hydration tricks for the winter. First one is internal. If you drink every morning either ghee, olive oil, coconut oil or sesame oil with CCF cumin, coriander and fennel tea, then slowly internally everything will be hydrated and your skin, hair, nail, everything will be less dry. You will find this difference just within few days. Secondly, externally, you can apply a mixture of honey and aloe vera gel and keep it in the fridge. So you can take 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of honey, mix it together and apply this on your face and your body, and you will see that your skin suddenly feels very soft and supple.